really gonna do it, Elgin?
Yes.
Sissy?
Yes.
It looks really scary.
Please do not swing.
Oh wait, that guy is going by himself.
Yeah, so why can't you come?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Hey, I look at the tree. Look. Where you going? Around me.
You can hear they're going up. They're going up.
I wouldn't mind going, but
They start spinning and it doesn't even get to the highest height yet. Elgin and Sissy, are you ready?
yeah.
Are you scared? We're going up. Elgin, Sissy. Elgin. Elgin, Sissy. Sissy! Look down! Look down! Sissy, don't look down! Okay, now it drops really fast. This is crazy! Oh my. Oh man! Woo! Woo! Sissy, thumbs up or thumbs down? It's actually pretty crazy. Where's Jinky and Boo Boo?
Oh, there.
Okay. Sissy, how was it? This way. See the arrow? Okay, interview, how was it?
No reaction.
No reaction?
No,
You were screaming. She was screaming. Were you scared?
No.
That was probably the most intense ride I've been on in my life. What about the one at Gardaland, the Oblivion?
And that was pretty big. But like if like the ride rope snipped, there was no river anywhere.
Yeah.
Did you scream?
Did you get headache?
I didn't scream at all.
Did you get headache?
No.
All right, I have to say that was a blast.
Go!
Yeah, it was really scary.